You used the adhesive tape wrong all your life and you didn't know it. When you know this, you will only use the tape in this way and you will never use it again in the traditional way. Today, I will teach you 2 unique ways to use the adhesive tape that you never imagined. Once you know it, you will thank me forever. The first thing I'm going to do is take an open box that I want to seal with the adhesive tape. I'm going to take the tape and put a layer on the box. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Berenice Jimenez from Honduras. In this part, what most people do is cut the tape with a scissor and even using their mouth. But this becomes repetitive and tedious, which makes you take a long time if you are working with some craft and you need to use a lot of tape. For this trick, we will make a portable cutter using only a plastic hook, zip tie, tie wrap, or whatever you call it in your country. We take the hook and wrap it in the adhesive tape in this way. Then we take the scissor and cut this part, leaving a small piece that will help us cut the tape. Then we dispense the tape as usual. When cutting, it will no longer be necessary to use a scissor. This time, you just have to support the part of the tape that you want to cut right on top of the hook, and you will notice that it will be cut immediately. Another very common problem when you are going to use the tape is trying to remove the end with your fingers or nails. After spending several days without using the tape, the end sticks hard and it is uncomfortable to take it off with your fingers. So what you should do once you have finished using it is to take a paper clip and place it right on the adhesive part of the end, as I show you. In this way, the next time you need to use the tape, you will not have problems finding and removing the end, and you will not use your fingers again. If you made it this far, leave me a comment. I will use the adhesive tape in this way, so I will know that you watched the whole video.